Vice President Kosano Chunga is embarked on a renewed narrative, framing whispering campaign to counter President Emmerson Mnangagwa's controversial constitutional amendments, extending his rule to 2030, saying the reason why people fought the liberation struggle was for land and the one man one vote principle. Zarabina Mashkobranyo Kopangwa na Chinzi, Chiwenga fights Mnangagwa plan that was subscribable like out on the bell icon. TPida, the news of Samdanyura Chiti, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga allowed in a deadly succession power struggle with the 2030 plan as the new battleground. Chiwenga's escalating campaign is designed and calculated to stop Mnangagwa's constitutional changes, which extend his rule by 2 more years to 2030 beyond is a 2028 70-term constitutional limit. The Vice President wants direct presidential election system to remain as it symbolizes the one man one vote principle for him. Chiwenga also wants the changes to be subjected to a referendum, a hotly contested point in the debate. Zambia says there is no need for a referendum as it is not removing term limits but only changing the electoral cycle. The opposition and civil society say elongating Mnangagwa's stay in office is a referendum. The resulting intense debate currently unfolding over Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 has triggered significant controversy over whether these changes should be subjected to a referendum or not. Or there is no argument that the Zimbabwean struggle was principally fought for land and the right to vote, unqualified franchise. There is a debate whether electing a president through parliament violates the one man one vote principle. Some say that it does, since voters are reduced to spectators in electing the president, while others say it does not, as changing the electoral system will not remove universal adult suffrage. It simply deepens voters' right to elect MPs who in turn fought for the president, as they do in Botswana and South Africa, among many others countries in the world, they say. This debate is divided national opinion. Mnangagwa, backed by ruling ZANU-PF and the government, wants to extend his rule beyond his 2028 70-term legal limit and introduced a raft of changes, revamping the political, electoral and governance system. Doma developments are good upon kwa ilo. Inako section methods of fungu imo to deba msuru pichit kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.